fears of tornado in the Montreal Canada area subsided Thursday afternoon and the dramatic rainfall abated, the city began wading through some of its aftermath with flooded homes and underpasses and closed roads. Environment and Climate Change Canada reported that between 50 and 100 millimeters of rain fell over the city in the space of a couple hours, calling it a torrential downpour in assessment of the storm published after 7 p.m. While Mirabel was confirmed to have experienced a tornado and the federal agency said a funnel cold was reported in Vaudreuil until Dorion, the city appears to have been spared. Montreal Mayor Valérie Plante acknowledged the storm intensity, saying city crews were working to make sure roads are safe and responding to requests for help. The heavy rainfall lasted throughout rush hour and flooding closed several roadways in Montreal, including a portion of Highway 15 until a busy downtown expressway, also known as the Décarie of the height of Jean-Talon Street. Residents watched some from through their car windshield as well of ominous cloud obscured the evening sun over the city. Then the rain hit hard, lasting more than an hour for episodes of lightning and loud thunder.